In today's video, we'll create cartoon animation in Canva. For this, go to video, click on YouTube video, blank page opens up. Click on elements. In search box, search for speed line. Click on videos. Select this video. Resize it up to full screen. Then rotate like this. Resize it like this. Drag it from middle points so that it will cover the page like this. Cover all the white area. Now click on uploads. Select an image like this one. Drag and resize. Click on BG remover to remove its background. Now select the image and click on animate. Click on VG and set its intensity to 0. That's it. Now you can run the animation. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Kindly like, comment and subscribe.